In my playlist, Mexico 2024, Merida and Oaxaca de Juarez, I'm now up to 25 vlogs. 15 of those vlogs were from Merida in the Yucatan. At this point, I have 10 vlogs from Oaxaca de Juarez, generally referred to as Oaxaca, but that's also the name of the state, so it's kind of confusing, and that's why people say Oaxaca de Juarez, as in Benito Juarez. In vlog number 26, I actually take an excursion from Oaxaca de Juarez to St. Augustine Etla. It's only a trip of 18 kilometers. I happened to do it by bus, and that took about an hour. But hey, it brought me into a wonderful area that reminded me so much of Provence, France. Travels with Lobo, coming to you from Mexico, specifically from San Augustine de Etla, a beautiful place that reminds me so much of the south of France, that is only about 30 kilometers outside of Oaxaca. I've spent now a week in Oaxaca taking Spanish language courses, and I must say that Oaxaca is a beautiful, beautiful place. Maybe the best I've been to, and I'm talking about the Centro Historico. So today I'm back at San Augustine de Etla. After many, many questions as to how to get here, I'm back at San Augustine Etla. San Augustine Etla. Just about an hour outside of Oaxaca. I was here about, 8 years ago, and I was here with Barbara, and we thought this was just like the south of France, just like what you see in Provence. This is beautiful, beautiful scenery. You have this reflecting pool that I remember, and a white church behind me. And yes, I'm here. Yeah, there's a white church behind me. Oh my God, this is it. This is San Augustine de Etla. All right, let's go explore the church. And here is the view at church level. It is just so nice and calm here that I'm thinking, after another week of language study, Spanish language study in Oaxaca, I might just check out Airbnb to see what's available in this town for maybe just staying and vegetating in the same place in a beautiful little village called San Augustine Etla. Wow. Right there is El Centro de las Artes in San Augustin, and they have 2 floors of exhibitions and a gallery in a chalet. So let's go and see this. First I gotta get by the security guard. Wow, if there's any doubt that this place is worth visiting, look at this chateau-like building. That is the Centro de las Artes. It's named after Jose Zorrilla, Trabaga. Surprisingly, it was an early 20th century textile mill, a textile mill, and they made it look this beautiful. Anyway, it's Mexico, so what can you say? Soledad, solidarity, or solitude, I would think. Vista Hermoso. Boy, if there was a Vista Hermoso, this is it. In case you don't speak Spanish, Vista Hermoso means beautiful view. So let's just walk along here. Look at these trees here. Yeah, I remember that from 2016. Those flowers and those cactuses. Wow. And the view of the hills. So, fascinated by these cactuses. I haven't seen cactuses since Arizona. In Arizona they have the, I don't know what they're called, but they really stick up one trunk that goes into the air. Saguaros, I think. Saguaro cactuses. Beautiful, soft Mediterranean colors here. And here a weeping wall. A weeping wall. And it's okay. And then I guess I go up there. Let's see what's up here. Oh yeah, there's more reflecting water right here. So let's not drop the phone. And here is the view on the second floor. As you can see, it's full of exhibits. It's pretty spectacular. Yeah, well, it was 6 years ago. Isn't now, but the building is still great. Behind me is the pavilion. Right there, with the church in the background. Let's go check it out. It's probably empty too. Wow, look at that green and orange. That's really great. So, seems to be just drawings. Art. So in the pavilion there are a few bits of fabric. There are few bits of fabric. Wouldn't write home about these, but there are a few bits of fabric. Look at this. Yeah. Thank you for viewing, and I hope that this video has maybe given you envie à visiter une partie de México que se parece un poco comme Provencia en Francia. J'espère que ça va vous donner envie d'y aller. Pour moi, c'était extraordinaire. C'est comme un rêve de visiter un lieu aussi chouette que San Augustine Etla. A la próxima vez. Gracias.